Hey guys, Amber here, and I'm one step closer to the grave. That's right guys, I recently celebrated my birthday. Woohoo! Thank you guys. Thank you. You're just too kind. Too kind. It was basically filled with cats, caramel, and the colour purple. You think I'm over-exaggerating? I really am not. 99.9% of my presents were literally either purple, something to do with cats, or just caramel. So for my birthday, I thought I'd treat myself and go to London for the day with 3 of my gal pals, Charlotte, Katie, and JV. Hi guys. We basically geeked out, went to Orbital Comics, Forbidden Planet, the Nickelodeon store, and the final most amazing place in the world ever, Lady Dinah's Cat Emporium. It is so cute. It is basically a cat cafe, and you can just sit and chill, and there are cats walking around acting cute, sleeping and eating and ignoring your cries for attention because you want to pet them, but they ain't having none of it because they don't care about you. The whole day was absolutely amazing. I've recorded it all, but I won't give you the whole day because that would literally be a good few hours long and nobody wants to watch all of that really. No. So I'll give you the highlights and I'll also show you quickly what I bought. The first place we went to was the Nickelodeon store. I had to get because of nostalgia reasons. Bam! Reptar t-shirt, boy! This is just, I mean, come on, look at his face, guys. Like, he is having a good time. The next thing I got was another t-shirt. Now, I don't know if many of you guys would know of these two. It depends how old you are. Basically, I got myself a Ren and Stimpy t-shirt, and it is the jam. You idiot! Next place we went to was Orbital Comics. Didn't get much from there. I got one thing for Charlotte, and then I got myself Gwenpool because I've heard very good things about this, and the artwork on the front looks absolutely amazing. There's a little dinosaur and everything there. Gwenpool looks freaking cute as hell on this cover. Like, I want to ride a motorbike and be surrounded by cute stuff. And then I also got myself a little Doraemon because why not? I also met up with my friend Ryan who works there, who is super cool. Hi! After Orbital Comics we went to Forbidden Planet, where I got myself a couple more comics. One being the first issue of Black Panther. I got it for 2 reasons. First of all being obviously Civil War, he's making an appearance. I mean, I've heard of him and I've seen him around, but I don't really know about him. So I guess with the Civil War hype, everyone's gonna be on him because he looks like a badass. I don't want to say I'm jumping on the bandwagon, but it kind of looks like I am, so sorry. Second reason being the variant cover edition that I got was designed by Skottie Young. I'm not a massive nerd lord with comic book artists and stuff. I'm not gonna pretend that I am. I'm an idiot brain and know probably next to nothing compared to some other people, but I know of Skottie Young and I absolutely adore his artwork, and he did a variant for this issue of Black Panther, so I was like, how can I not buy it? He looks freaking cute. And here it is, guys. Do you know what I mean? Like, come on, how could you not get that? Now, keeping on the subject of Skottie Young, I also got myself a copy of his very own comic series, Giant Size Little Marvel AVX. I'm absolutely in love with this comic series. I know I've said adorable and cute and amazing and whatever in this video about 50 million times, but I'm not joking. It is so amazingly adorably cute. His artwork is to die for, and I love the humour in it as well. Like, the jokes are just great. So many puns. It's cool. Just buy it. And finally, the last place we all went to was Lady Dinah's Cat Emporium. That's the main reason I wanted to go to London, just to go to a cat cafe for my birthday, because who doesn't want to do that? Apart from people who don't like animals or cats. Let me tell you, if you love cats and you're in England and you can get to London, please go to Lady Dinah's because it is so nice. As it was my birthday, I added a birthday pack to my reservation because I'm really sad like that. And so that means I got myself a little cupcake, a tote bag, and a card from the cats. Look how cute this is! And they all wished me a happy birthday. I know they didn't personally, but I'd like to think that they did. This sweet tote bag is absolutely massive and the design on it is lovely. It was only fair I got myself a Crazy Cat Lady badge and a couple of really awesomely designed postcards of just a couple of the cats that live there. So all in all, it was a great day. I spent time with some of my amazing friends and I geeked about and saw lots of cats. what more do you want for a birthday? So I hope you enjoy the stuff that I filmed. If you like the video, give it a like. If you've been to Lady Dinah's Cat Emporium or any other kind of animal themed cafe, then let me know, and what did you think about it? Check out the rest of my videos, and if you like them enough, then you can always give a little cheeky subscribe if you really want to. I mean, no pressure or anything. I'm a year older, but I'm definitely not a year wiser. I am a complete and utter thicko. See you around. Bye! Yeah! Norwich Station. Gonna go to London, see some cats. Oh my god, the smell of chocolate. I love it. Chocolate. If you want to be SpongeBob SquarePants as a hoe, then you can get these with like knickers, essentially. Femme SpongeBob at a con, sorted. I'm gonna mash you up, mate. You one ugly mother. Yeah, boy! Lady Dinah's across the road, and it's purple. It's like it's meant to be.
Oh, look at this sleeping
baby! So I'm gonna like take all of the cats.
bring this one here for you guys.
Thank you. Oh my god, there's a gown ready! Oh my god.
It's too excited.
Game to me, I've been chosen.